Hi guys, this is just a reminder of how to save your files before submitting to Canvas. When you're ready, go to the top toolbar of Photoshop and click on the word File and drag down to Save As. Then select Save on your computer. At this window, if you haven't already named your project, you want to name it. And this is set to save on the desktop, and that's what you want to do. If you have something else in this window, you want to make sure that you change it to desktop. And you can see the format here is Photoshop. That's exactly what you want. And we're going to save that and select OK. Now, the second thing that you need to do is go back up to File on that toolbar, select it again, drag down to the word Export, and drag over to Export As and let go. And this window will pop up. You want to check the format, make sure with this little drop down, make sure that is JPEG. This quality good is fine. Everything else you can leave the same and select Export. Here's this window again. Make sure that it's the same name and the location is your desktop, and then save. Now you're ready to upload your project to Canvas. So you may go ahead and quit Photoshop. We're going to save before quitting. And you can see here are my two fruit bowls on my desktop. One is the .jpeg and the other one is the .psd. So for Canvas, this is the one I'm going to upload, the JPEG. But I do want to keep both of these so that if I want to work on this project in the future, I've got everything I need. Once I've uploaded the JPEG to Canvas, I'm going to come back and I'm going to drag both of these files into my digital design folder. And that's it.